Unlock the power of English. Phrasal verbs with in. Hello, English learners. Today we're diving in to a very interesting topic. Phrasal verbs with in. We'll be discussing some common phrasal verbs that use the preposition in. By the end of this video, you should feel more comfortable using these in your own conversations. Phrasal verbs are unique to English. They consist of a verb and a preposition or adverb. As a group, the verb and preposition or adverb create a meaning different from the individual words. Today, we'll specifically focus on phrasal verbs that include the preposition in. Let's jump straight in. Here are some common phrasal verbs that use in. 1. Dive in. This phrasal verb means to start doing something enthusiastically, usually without thinking about it first. For example, she dived in and started solving the problem without reading the instructions. 2. Fill in. This can mean to complete a form by writing in the spaces provided, or to substitute for someone or something. For example, could you fill in for me at the meeting tomorrow? 3. Give in, to surrender or stop resisting. For example, after hours of debating, he finally gave in and agreed to her plan. 4. Join in, to participate or become involved in an activity. For example, they invited me to join in the game. Now that you have learned some common phrasal verbs with in, let's practice them with some exercises. Try to create your own sentences using these phrasal verbs. 1. Write a sentence using dive in. 2. Write a sentence using fill in. 3. Write a sentence using give in. 4. Write a sentence using join in. Remember, the best way to learn phrasal verbs is by using them in context. We've come to the end of our video. Now you know some common phrasal verbs with in and how to use them. Remember, English is a language full of these little quirks. It's what makes English so vibrant and expressive. Don't shy away from phrasal verbs. Dive right in and embrace them. Practice makes perfect, so keep using these in your day-to-day conversations. See you in the next video. Happy learning!